sometimes you may want to return a limited number of rows from the data. For example, if you want to take a glance at all the columns and records on these columns, then you may probably want to print the first 20 records. This would help to take a quick look into the data. The main purpose of this video is to help you understand limiting the results when performing analytics in SQL. Here in this example, we are extracting the value first 3 records from the table, and the table is example table. Note that it will return all the columns and top 3 records for these columns. Here is the input and output after we use limit 3 in SQL. As you can see, the output table has only 3 rows. Now let's head over to pgadmin and practice limit there. Alright, so here I am in pgadmin. Let's practice limit. So the first thing we want to do is get the top 3 records from the employee table. So for that we can use select star from employee, and we want to limit to 3. This will provide the top 3 records from that employee table. Let's run it. Say 1 2 3. So these are the 3 records from that employee table. So this is how you can limit the data in SQL. Next, let's get the first name, last name and salary of the first 5 records from the employee table. So this is for specific variables: first name, last name, salary, and that's coming from employee table. And we just want to resolve top 5 records. Limit 5. Run it. So we have first name, last name and salary only for the top 5 records, first 5 records from the table. Alright, that's for the limit. Thank you. I'm just gonna save it and close it. Alright, that's about the limit, and I hope you understand how we can limit the records in our output using limit function in SQL, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Happy learning.